And anything that hasn't been treated or cleared. And if it hasn't been and doesn't, it's going to be slick first thing tomorrow morning. This is our Embassy Suites hotel camera. There goes a cat bus down Gay Street. Moving okay, but you can still see snow on the area roads there, so please be careful. Here's a look at the radar. Again, the darker the purple, the heavier the snow. So there are some bands, especially up near Maynardville and Union County. Looks like also right on the Anderson-Knox border and areas to the south, but it's been really in and around Knox County that we've had some of the heavier snowfall. Just got a report just close to the Loudoun County border of about an inch of snow being reported. It makes sense because of these bands that have moved through. That's where some of the heaviest snow was earlier this evening. We're sitting at 25 degrees. So again, as cold as it has been, it didn't take much to cause some road concerns where they weren't pre-treated across the area. Good news is it will be tapering off. Bad news is it's still a couple hours away. But you can see the snow continuing to move off to the east. There's one of those heavier bands I just mentioned there in Union County, just south of Norris Lake, where we've really not seen much at all. Campbell or Claiborne County yet, but you still have an opportunity before this moves through. So really between 7 o'clock through about 8 or 9, maybe 10, that's our best chance, and then pretty much quiet after that snowfall-wise, but it is going to be cold, and roads certainly an issue. Anywhere from about a dusting to an inch, depending on where you are, and sticking everywhere. I have roads as a question mark because, again, not all roads will be hazardous. The untreated ones could certainly be, but main thoroughfares have been doing okay. They've been passable. I mean, interstates. All right, here's a look. Anything in that light blue means there have been some reports of snow-covered roads. So as we get later in the evening, we're seeing this grow a little bit. The pink are patchy areas of ice or some patchy slick spots. So just be careful. Areas to the north, though, there are no issues, of course, without any snow that has fallen. Campbell, Northern Union, all the way up into Claiborne County as well. But again, you still have an opportunity over the next, say, couple of hours. And road surface temperatures certainly aren't going to warm up overnight. Between now and midnight, everybody's roads will be below the freezing mark thanks to these temperatures dropping off basically into the low to mid 20s. Now, snow totals, they will vary, but again, about half an inch or less, but it doesn't take much to cause travel concerns. Now, there will be some isolated higher totals, especially the Loudoun, Knox, Blunt area where that heavier band moved through again with some near 1 inch totals there. But I'd say overall, not much. Areas south, McMinn, Southern Monroe, half inch or less for most areas with some higher totals, especially but the higher peaks of the Smokies above 4,000 feet. So it's cold tonight, no doubt, low to mid 20s. So again, snow's not going to go anywhere. And then tomorrow we will see a bit of a thaw. Thanks to some morning clouds giving way to afternoon sunshine as well. We'll see low 40s across the region. And then by the time we get to tomorrow afternoon, Wednesday afternoon, not tomorrow afternoon, but Wednesday, we're talking low 50s. So we're seeing that steady warming trend. Thursday, we're talking mid 50s, if not near 60 degrees with a mix of sun and clouds. So people are breaking out the shorts really by the time we get to Thursday. And then for the weekend, we're staying in the 60s, but there will be some precipitation returning, and it will be all liquid this time as we head into the weekend. So a cold start tomorrow, low 40s for the afternoon. There's the nice thaw as we head for the second half of the week. Best chance of rain is going to be Friday night late through about the first half of the day Saturday. Now, there will be some scattered showers Saturday night or New Year's Eve night, but I think they're very widely scattered. I would take the rain gear, though, if you're going to be heading out.
All right, Ken, thank you.